Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of the 2025 Dodge Demon, a beast that pushes the limits of raw power and performance. Dodge has brought back its legendary nameplate with upgrades that make this muscle car a true contender for the fastest production car on the market. The exterior of the 2025 Dodge Demon screams aggression. From its wide stance and signature Demon badge to the functional hood scoop and aerodynamic enhancements, every detail is designed for performance. The lightweight materials and aggressive body lines give it a dominating road presence. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMIV 8 engine, pushing out an astonishing 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque. This car delivers mind-blowing acceleration. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.66 seconds and completes the quarter mile in under 9 seconds, making it the ultimate drag strip machine. Dodge has also included advanced launch control and adaptive suspension to optimize traction and performance. The interior balances raw power with modern technology. Lightweight materials are paired with a driver-focused cabin. The minimalist design includes racing seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a large digital cluster that displays key performance metrics. For those looking for luxury, optional leather upholstery and a premium audio system are available. Safety and tech features include advanced driver assistance systems like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. However, the emphasis remains on delivering an unfiltered driving experience. Priced starting at $100,000, the 2025 Dodge Demon isn't just a car. It's a statement. Whether you're on the drag strip or the open road, this machine ensures every drive is unforgettable. What are your thoughts on Dodge's return to dominance? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Car Trend for more reviews of the hottest cars of 2025.